Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add templates, how to edit templates in Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit templates in Canva. So the first thing you do is in your browser type in www.canva.com to bring you here, and then you sign in. Don't forget to sign in, and then now you're on the home page and you want to look at templates. These are templates. Now before we continue, what are Canva templates? Canva templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize to create various designs such as social media graphics, that is posts for Instagram, Facebook. As an example, this is for social media graphics. So look at it for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Look at it, you can see popular social media templates over here. So you can browse them by categories, by Instagram posts, Instagram, Facebook posts, Facebook covers. So you can see them, stories, TikTok videos, interest pins, LinkedIn video ads, animated social media, Twitter posts. You can see the ones that are trending. You can browse high quality templates. Now you also have another category. This is the template. We have the business category. We have you can see them here. To document presentations, business cards, flyers, and the rest of them. Also called the work kits. So this is letterhead. At the template, let's create a letterhead. We have to have documents, templates, Canva document templates. We have a lot of them. We also scroll down and see more. You can set them by style, theme, language, feature, color. We also have a presentation. You can see the presentation template also. And we all have for whiteboard, we have for business cards, we have for flyers, for prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads. Now, all these templates, why do we need them? Number one, it helps to save your time. But there's no need for you to start from scratch. You can simply just pick a template and edit it. The same thing also helps for professional design. Even with a designer, like me, you can still create high quality designs using this template. The next one, it is easy to customize. You can easily change the colors, the fonts, the images and text to fit your brand and style. And we have a wide variety of templates. There are templates for almost any occasional purpose. Now let's get into how to edit the Canva template. So the first thing you do is choose a template from the Canva library, and then we can now edit or customize it. Now let's choose a template. Let's say we want one for flyer. Let's choose a flyer. So you can see flyer templates. I've chosen one. I really like this one. Next thing you tap on customize this template, and then you can now edit what you want to change. Let's say I want to change it from I'm changing the company winner and spares. So I don't want it to be winner and spares anymore. I want to use the name AC and Darling, for example. So you can barely see it because of how tiny it is. So let me make it more visible to you. Okay, Delicacy and Darling Company. You can see it now. I can change this if I want. So I can change the date, the time, all this. I can customize them. So you can change the time, the venue, the contact, the website, even a picture if you want. And that's it. So that's how I can do it for a black and gray model flyer. So let's go back. So Hope you found this video helpful on how to, don't forget after doing this you have to share. Tap on share and then you can download it or give a public view link or a template link. So you can also press your to clipboard, present and record, present it, public view link, and so that's it to folder, send to the photo and the rest of it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found it really helpful. If you feel like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this people thought every day. Thanks for watching.